Hey guys, it's Randy Dawn and Marathon Coach.
Hey everyone, how you doing today?
We are up here at Hearthside Grove and let's get walking here.
All right.
Randy and I were talking and he thinks that he knows the amount of time it takes to put a slide in on a Prevost.
Yep, I do.
And I said I'll take that bet. So we are just taking a little stroll over to Coach 1262. It's our double slide we have up here at Hearthside. We're gonna go inside, we're gonna start it up, and we're gonna move the slide in.
And this is from the time you push the button because the seals have to deflate. So just so we're clear on the bet,
Okay.
it's not the moving, how long it takes to move in.
Correct.
It's from the time you push the button and it stops.
All right.
So we're gonna go see. I am guessing 50 seconds is my guess. I think by the time the seals deflate and the slide comes in, it's around 50 seconds. I think
No.
so, yeah.
I'm gonna say 37 seconds.
Ooh,
37.
37.
So I have 37.
That's fast.
You
37.
have what?
50.
50.
50. Yeah, I
Let's
think
go
it's
check it
50.
out.
All right, let's go in.
I'm just gonna show you again the outside of this beautiful coach. This is Coach 1262 double slide. Randy's ready because he thinks
I'm
he's
ready.
gonna win.
That's right.
All right, here we'll get up the stairs. All right.
All right, so one thing I always do when doing slides, I always start the coach just so that the big compressors are being used to vacuum the seals and unvacuum the seals.
And now we do have the door open too, which is recommended something
Very
to be
true,
open,
yes, because
right?
there's a lot of air pressure. So yeah, no, it's a
Okay.
great idea. So
Okay.
I'm gonna wait. Dawn's
Okay.
got her.
I'm going to use my second hand on my watch. Sorry guys for the jiggling there. Okay, on your mark, get set, and start.
All right. Now I don't know if you can hear it on the video, but the seals are deflating right now. That's why nothing's happening.
We are at
Oh,
10 seconds.
10 seconds.
Remember, my count was 37. Randy's was 50.
Look at the tolerance, Dawn. If you can show them the tolerance up there of that slide as it comes in, and keep in mind this thing goes down the road, and we have that close a tolerance.
He's trying to distract me.
Yeah.
It is now 30 seconds. 35. Oh, it's 35.
5 seconds. Wow, I've been defeated.
And you can see the walkway here with the slide in.
Yeah.
This is a double slide, so we might as well take a little look here, and you can see just how much room. I mean, you can totally make a sandwich, get to the refrigerator. You can also get to the bathroom if needed. It was 35 seconds.
35 seconds. We've only been married a week, and I've already lost my first bet. That's not a very good record, but hopefully I've got room and time to improve. So
You will.
Yeah, so
You'll do
improve.
fine.
Hope you enjoyed that. And once again, if you're looking for a coach, either a new coach or a pre-owned coach, the sales have been wonderful at Marathon this year. We
Yeah.
still have some new inventory. We do have some new inventory that will be coming off the line. So if you don't see what you want, give Dawn or I a call or email us, and we can tell you what we have coming up. That'll be done. I think we had like 3 or 4 coaches that were going to be in October. So we've got some new product coming out. So give us a call, or any of the other sale associates from Texas, Florida, or out west. And keep watching Randy Dawn and a Marathon Coach.